Yes, I'm Roman and welcome to another Jamaican Patois lesson. For today's video, we will learn how to express saying that we are hurt or injured. Let's go. This video will be divided into two levels, easy and hard. There is no middle ground. So let's start with level 1, which is easy. Here is the structure. Me, which means I, plus the body part plus the expression a, me. Me, ed, a, me. Me, an, a, me. Me foot, a, me. Make back, a, me. Level 2, hard. This is hard because there is no structure. You simply have to learn the expressions as they are. For example, boy, my head a spin, which means my head is spinning. Or, Jano, me not feel good rasta. Simply put, I don't feel well. Or you can say, me feel so. Me feel a way. So as you can see, this is much more difficult because you just have to learn the expressions that exist or simply learn how to communicate that you're not feeling well or part of you is not well or is injured. For example, John, me cut my hand and it hurt me. Now, let's move on to our activity and see how well you've been following so far. Let's go. Number 1, tell me what I'm saying in the comments down below. John, from last night, my big toe hurt me. Yeah, and my neck hurt me too. Now, let's move on to number 2, which would be difficult. Yo, brother, from a wake up this morning, me not feel good enough. My head just a spin so. I'm in need and feel weak. Feel like me can't even stand up good, brother. My back hurt me, my belly hurt me, everything hurt me. Alright, I'll stop there so you guys are not overwhelmed. Let me know what you think I'm saying in the comments down below. And with this said, what would you like to learn in Jamaican Patois for our next video or next lesson? Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.